Hello, scholars, and today we are going to be discussing the narrative writing practice you have for homework this week. You are going to be asked to write a story that talks about something bad coming. So, for example, we read in Percy Jackson that he noticed the weather was changing. He's very descriptive writing to explain that something was not right in his world. And as we've also talked about, that goes back to the hero's journey and how he is entering a new world, entering the unknown, or a call to adventure. But with that in mind, you are going to be writing a short narrative for practice. You're going to write a story that talks about something bad coming. The checklist, you must complete the bubble map. That's here. Complete this before you begin writing. You must have a title, at least 3 pieces of dialogue. That means 3 sentences or 3 parts of a sentence where someone is talking to someone else or saying something to themselves. And you'll see an example of this in the example. You must also have 3 descriptive details that describe what is happening in the environment that's telling you, or it's an inference to the reader that something bad is coming. And you must stay on topic. So it can't be you start talking about bad weather and then all of a sudden it's bad food. Like, it needs to stay on topic about that one particular event. So for example, we have a little paragraph here by a 6th grader named Kayla. So she's same grade and same age as you. And this is what she wrote when she was given this prompt. Woof, woof, woof. I heard the dogs barking. They will never catch me, I thought as I bolted through the rusty old gate and swung the door open. Now this would be an example of details, okay? Only to hear a big clang like 2 pots being banged together. To my relief, it was the door hitting the gate. They will never catch me, I thought again. All I heard was the barking of the dogs and my heart beating like a drum. Again, descriptive language. That's actually a simile, comparing to unlike things, using like or as. Beating so hard and so loud. It was as though it was calling to them. Here I am, so come get me. Woof, woof, woof. Bum, 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 bum. It all meshed into one big crack. I ran, I tripped, and I fell, head first, and I somersaulted down the hill. Quickly I jumped up and kept on running. I was running over rocks, crossing through streams, and zigzagging around trees. There were twigs in my hair, mud on my clothes, and rain on my face. Or was it tears? I couldn't tell. So that's just a portion of a story. She's trying to escape. That's the title of her paragraph or her short story. And it's a lot of descriptive details, like I pointed out as I was reading. I'm only requiring 3, but many of you might need more because you just get so excited, you love to write. So I'm just giving you a guideline. I need at least 3. These other bubbles can be used to help guide your writing. So again, more descriptive details, maybe your quotations can go in there, what you're going to say. But please make sure you use this bubble map prior to writing your story. Then, using these details in your bubble map, create a title, and then make sure you put your name here, and begin writing. So start with something exciting. So she started with an onomatopoeia, which is noises put into words. Woof, woof, woof. You know, you can use something similar. Use this example as a model. If you would like to start with something similar, go for it. But again, you're telling your own story. This is going to be due Wednesday, so please make sure that you turn this in on time.